Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a really fun, easy Halloween DIY. I'm going to take one of these adorable little plastic crystal balls that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I am going to add some eyeballs and make it really fun and funky for Halloween. First, I take some of their little jack-o'-lantern ribbon just to line the plastic cap just to make it look fun. I'm going to display mine on one of their candlesticks in black. Perfect way to display these, and you can put just about anything in here. I'm using their little plastic eyeballs. I thought that would be a fun little treat. I just did one on my recent YouTube video where I did pillow fluff and some little twinkle lights inside there, so like it glows as well. I love them. I think they're so much fun, and this is how they look with the eyeballs inside. If you'd like more fun fall or Halloween Dollar Tree ideas, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. I have tons of content up right now. And until next time, happy crafting!